ជំរាបសួរបបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយជាទេចាវិលមកកាន់សារណា traveling ថ្ងៃនឹងខ្ញុំសូមលោកបងប្អូនមកញ៉ាំមកកន្លែងនេះក្រុមគ្រួសារនឹងខ្ញុំមកញ៉ាំគេហៅថាសាច់គោអាំងមានគ្រឿងសមុទ្រនិងសាច់គោអីចឹងណាជាមួយនឹងទឹកកាពិចាទឹកកាពិទឹកកាពិគេហៅថាវាមានរសជាតិប្លែកវាឈ្ងុយឆ្ងាញ់ហ្មងណាចាHello everybody, welcome to Sarna Traveling. Today I'm telling you about the food. This located in the Science Shop. You know, Science Shop is not far from my house. And the unique thing about this restaurant is shrimp paste sauce. At the barbecue, we have seafood, have beef.And the unique thing about this, I like the sauce. We call the shrimp paste sauce. Yeah, so it's try different tastes. Yummy, yummy. Because a lot of barbecue have a different style and different sauce, like Korean barbecue, Thai barbecue, Japanese barbecue. A lot of different barbecue.So let's try with me and it's like Thai and my barbecue it's like a mix because have shrimp paste sauce with it. Okay, let's enjoy with us. Okay, how is it look like? everybody and someone like it, you can tell me. Yeah, I tell that about the special thing is the shrimp paste sauce that I like about it. And anyway, thank you for spend for your awesome time watching my video. Hope to see all of you guys in my next video. Okay, have a great day, great weekend to all of you. See you next time. ជំរាបលាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអរគុណដែលបានតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំតាំងពីដើមដល់ចប់ចានហើយសង្ឃឹមជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀតជំរាបលា